Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
The Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is one of Zojirushi's best-selling rice cookers and is the perfect addition to any kitchen. The rice cooker is available in a 5.5 or 10-cup size. Both sizes include advanced features to cook delicious rice and a variety of healthy grains with no stress. The Neuro Fuzzy microcomputer allows the rice cooker to think for itself. It makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature according to the type of grain and its amount to ensure it is cooked perfectly every time. To prepare rice, open the rice cooker and remove the inner cooking pan. Measure the amount of rice you want to cook with the included measuring cup, leveling off each cup. Use the clear cup for white, brown, semi-brown, and sweet rice. Use the green cup for rinse-free rice. Both cups are slightly smaller than a standard US measuring cup. Pour water and gently wash the rice in the scratch-resistant, rinse-okay, non-stick inner cooking pan. Drain and repeat this process until the water runs clear. Fill the pan with water up to the line that matches the amount of rice you're cooking. The high-contrast water level lines have been enhanced for visibility, making it easy for you to fill to your mark. In this case, we are cooking 4 cups of white rice. Place the inner cooking pan back into the rice cooker and close the lid. Select the type of rice to be cooked. You can select from regular or sushi white rice, softer white rice, harder white rice, quick cooking, mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, semi-brown rice, or brown rice from the easy-to-read LCD control panel. For rinse-free rice, press the Pre-Washed button before making your menu selection. Press the Cooking button and let the rice cooker do its job. The triple heaters inside the rice cooker heat the rice from the bottom, sides, and the top, cooking the rice evenly. This machine also features a clock and delay timer function with 2 programmable memory settings. Set the timer up to 13 hours in the future for rice that's ready when you want it. Once the rice is cooked, the rice cooker automatically switches to Keep Warm mode. The cooked rice can be kept warm for up to 12 hours. The Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer also features an extended Keep Warm mode, which keeps the rice warm at a lower temperature for an additional 8 hours. The reheat cycle quickly brings rice back to serving temperature. The Stay Cool side handles on the inner cooking pan allows for quick and easy transporting of hot, delicious rice. The detachable inner lid and the inner cooking pan are fully washable, and the exterior can be wiped down for easy cleaning. Plus, the retractable power cord and sturdy handle make this machine easy to transport and store. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, a regular rice measuring cup, and a rinse-free rice measuring cup. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is made in Japan with an eye towards superior technology, design, and performance. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.